Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the master window switch, we'll use a plastic prying tool. You can get this from 1A Auto. This way we don't damage the trim. Kind of gently slide it up in here, help pop it up off the clips. And there's a clip on this side, so I'm going to work it in. So I'm basically just trying to pull it straight up off of these white clips here, and then these clips here that push into the door panel. So the lock on the connector is here, so push that in and pull the connector out. Use my plastic trim tool to help me. It's kind of a small clip. So I'm going to push it in and take it off. I'm going to remove the small trim. It's on top of the door panel. Use the plastic trim tool again. Get underneath here, gently pry it off. You can almost access the mirror. We'll take the rest of the door panel off. Screw behind the door pull handle. There's a plastic trim that's covering it. So again, use the plastic trim tool. Go in here, pop this out. There's 4 clips, pops right out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the screw. Inside the door pull handle, there's this little felt pad. We'll lift that up and get it out of here. And there's a Phillips head screwdriver sitting right in the bottom there. It needs to be removed. To remove this push clip, you actually take a small flat bladed screwdriver. You push in on it. That unlocks it. Then I'm going to use the plastic trim tool to pop it up and out. The door panel should now just be clipped in place with those screws removed. There's clips along the outside edge. To take them off, you're going to have to start usually at the bottom of the door because the top of the door rolls over the sheet metal, and give it a good pull to try to separate it. And then lift it up. Door cables for the lock and the pull handle are connected. So this top one is the lock. So it's white cable. I'm going to push it up to unlock it and then move it over. Slide that little lead ball out of there. And the green one is for the door pull handle. So pop that up and out and then pull these out. These are called Bowden cables. And we put the door panel aside. To remove the door handle from the door panel, there's 2 Phillips head screws. Remove those with a Phillips head screwdriver. Got the door panel on a work surface that's been protected with a soft piece of blanket so we don't damage the trim. Use the plastic prying tool. Just pry the trim away right here. Pull the whole door handle assembly out. Reinstall it. Put it down in place. Clip it in. Reinstall the 2 self-tapping Phillips head screws. Once they get tight, just stop. They're going into plastic. You don't want to strip it out. And this should be similar for all the door panels. Reinstall your door panel. This will be the same for both sides. Hook up the white Bowden cable, goes on the top for the lock. Pull the ball through here, clip it in place. The green one is for the door handle. Same way, put it in, clip it in place. top of the door panel has a hook to it. It will hang on the sheet metal. Get it started up top first. Put it down. Clips will push into place. Make sure that your wire is accessible for your master window switch. Little plastic push clip. After you've pushed it in, you can push it back out and reuse it. Go right in and lock in place. I'll reinstall the screw here. Reinstall the one on the door handle. Put this trim back in place. Let's get some clips. Open up the door handle. Kind of line it up. Snap into place. Put your little felt pad back in there. Triangle piece back on. Just push into place. Master window switch. Plug it in. Push it in, it locks. And then the door panel. It snaps into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.